Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best outdoor luminaries is probably one of the most enchanting ways to elevate your Christmas decor. These glowing beacons not only guide your guests with a warm welcome but also transform your outdoor space into a festive wonderland. Whether you're aiming for a classic or contemporary look, the right luminaries can set the perfect holiday mood. Number 5. Homemory Star Design Luminary Bags, 50. These luminary bags are perfect for setting a romantic mood. Simply place candles inside each bag. The star design creates a beautiful ambience for any occasion, and it's also a great gift idea. Want to create a magical pathway? These bags can outline sidewalks, driveways, or porches. The star cutouts create a fantastic light display in the dark, making any space feel special. These craft paper lanterns are reusable and easy to set up. Just add some weight to the bottom, like stones or sand, to keep them from tipping. Then, add tea lights, candles, or LED lights. For safety, it's recommended to use flameless candles. This eliminates fire hazards, smoke, and wax drips. It's a safe and comfortable way to create a warm atmosphere. These luminary bags are thoroughly tested by Homemory. Since they are made of paper, please keep them dry to ensure they last. Enjoy the beautiful lighting they provide. What we like? These luminaries create a romantic atmosphere with their star design. They are also reusable, making them a great value for your money. If you're looking to create a warm and inviting ambience for a special occasion, you should consider these. What people say. The bags were sturdy and easy to write on. Filled each of these bags up with 8 ounces of sand and an electric candle and had no issues. Design was perfect for the event. Number 4. Homemory Star Design Luminary Bags, 24. These luminary bags are perfect for setting a romantic mood. Simply place candles inside each bag. Light shines through the star design, creating a beautiful ambience for any event, and it's also a great gift idea. Want to create a magical pathway? These bags can outline sidewalks, driveways, or porches. The star design creates a fantastic light effect in the dark, making any area look enchanting. These craft bag lanterns are reusable and simple to set up. Add stones or sand to the bottom to keep them steady. Then, insert tea lights, candles, or LED lights. Use multiple lights to achieve your desired brightness. For safety, consider using flameless candles with these bags. This eliminates fire hazards, smoke, and wax drips. It's a safe and comfortable way to create a warm atmosphere. These luminary bags are thoroughly tested by Homemory. Since they are made of paper, it's important to keep them dry. This will ensure they last and continue to create beautiful lighting effects. What we like? These luminaries create a romantic atmosphere with their star design. They are also reusable, making them a great value for your money. If you're looking to create a warm and inviting ambience for a special occasion, you should consider these. What people say. Bags line the garden wall and cast lovely shadows on enclosed patio wall and ceiling, quite pretty. They held up great outdoors, didn't blow away, and made our sea of budget-friendly candlelight look oddly classy. Overall, the bags are beautiful, held up on snow sidewalks and made for a nice touch over the holidays. Number 3. LumaBase Electric Luminaria Kit, Tan, set of 10. This kit includes 10 durable plastic lanterns, each measuring 5.75 inches long, 3.5 inches wide, and 10 inches tall. It also comes with anchor stakes and a UL-listed electric cord with 10 clear bulbs. This is designed for outdoor use. The electric cord features 10 steady incandescent C7-5 watt bulbs. You can connect up to 6 cords end to end. Simply assemble the lanterns, space them 36 inches apart, secure them with stakes, and plug it in. The anchor stakes keep the lanterns secure, so you don't have to worry about them in the wind. This design ensures they stay in place, providing a consistent and beautiful display. Line your driveway or walkway to welcome guests. These are perfect for parties, gatherings, and community events. Consider collaborating with neighbors to light up the entire neighborhood. The lanterns are reusable and fold flat for compact storage. Made of plastic, they're more durable than paper and can last much longer. For best results, store them in an airtight container away from direct sunlight. What we like? This electric luminary kit is powered by a UL-listed electric cord with clear bulbs. The sturdy design ensures they stay in place, even in windy conditions. If you want a hassle-free, long-lasting lighting solution for your outdoor spaces, you should consider this. What people say. They are easy to assemble, and believe it or not, they are very sturdy. They provide a beautiful orange glow when on at night. Assembly is easy but takes a minute or two per bag, folding and punching out spots for holes. The stakes provided went into the ground nicely from the inside of the base of the bag and held each bag firmly. Number 2. Elf Logic Electric Luminary Bags, Outdoor Pathway Lighting. These beautiful luminary bags shine brightly throughout the night. They are better than LED candles, making them the perfect outdoor decoration lights. Don't throw these white electric luminary bags away after a single use. With their reusable plastic design, you can light up the night time and time again. No flames mean no worries. This pathway lighting system is superior to flameless candles. You can plug them in and rest assured that you're lighting the night safely. The durable plastic design can withstand the outdoors much better than any paper counterpart. Use these bag luminaries to line your sidewalk, driveway, or even your street any time of the year. Use these in place of outdoor electric candles or paper lantern lights for multiple uses. They are great for Christmas, Hanukkah, Easter, and even wedding lights. What we like. These luminary bags are weather resistant, so you don't have to worry about the elements. They are also reusable, making them a sustainable choice. If you're looking for a safe and durable lighting option that can withstand the outdoors, you should consider this. What people say. They looked very nice and were different from the other houses in the area. Easy to assemble, as well. They are fairly easy to assemble. Even though description states incandescent bulbs, these are actually LED bulbs. LED bulbs are much cooler temperature-wise and use 5 times less electricity and last 25 years plus under normal use. This is a string of 10 0.6 watt LED bulbs for a total of 6 watts per string set. They are bright with a bit of yellow. Number 1. LumaBase Snowflake Luminaria Lanterns, set of 10. This set includes 10 lanterns, each made of durable plastic. They are designed to withstand various weather conditions, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The size is 5.75 long, 3.5 wide, and 10 tall. To illuminate, use a battery-operated light inside. You can also use a LumaBase water-filled candle holder or anchor stake to keep them in place. The warm glow will create a beautiful ambience. Line your driveway, walkway, or porch with these lanterns to welcome guests. They are perfect for parties, gatherings, and holiday celebrations. Consider collaborating with neighbors to light up the entire neighborhood. These Luminaria bags are also great for community events. Use them to add a decorative glow to parades, fairs, and fundraisers. They will surely enhance the atmosphere. These lanterns are reusable and fold flat for easy storage. Made of plastic, they are more durable than paper ones and can last longer. Remember to store them in an airtight container away from direct sunlight. What we like. These luminaries feature a beautiful snowflake design, perfect for the holiday season. They're also reusable, making them a great investment. If you want to add a festive touch to your home and welcome your guests, you should consider this. What people say. They were outside in the cold, rain, sleet and snow at the cemetery for 2 weeks and held up very well. I used the product during Christmas and after a week in the elements it still looked brand new. Use it again and again. They held up the entire month of December through wind and rain. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.